Good afternoon, guys. Again, I'm into the backyard of my garden right now, and I'm just taking some pretty quick short video. Again, my gorgeous, beautiful, anonymous tree here at the backyard of my garden. Right on top in there, I got some gorgeous, beautiful, beautiful flowers there. And the color of these flowers is white. And look at that, guys. It's really, really nice and beautiful. I love this kind of trees. It's part of a hardy plants anyway, because I had this kind of trees for many, many years ago. I can't remember exactly, but I guess over 20 years, because ever since I moved in here over 20 years, this kind of tree was pretty small, pretty young, and then as I noticed that it grew every year, growing every year. It's not very big and it's not small, so just about right size of trees that I had here at the backyard of my garden. uh, During the heavy winter time, this is absolutely lovely, and then stay nicely. It doesn't affect really, no matter how heavy winter time we had in here. It doesn't affect this kind of trees. So that's why I call it hardy plants. It's a hardy flower trees that I had in here at the backyard of my garden. It's really nice. I love the color as well. It's a kind of a variegated golden leaves with beautiful white color flowers right on top with it. Look at that. I love this kind of tree. So nice. Yeah. I did trim on this before winter time. Yeah, I give them trim a bit, you know, because sometimes it looks quite really bushy if I don't trim to it. So perhaps before winter time again, I'm gonna start trimming this, just only tiny bit. Yeah, look at that. I only water these sometime as well during the real summertime or middle of summertime. Depends on the year with the temperature here we had. I just give them water maybe twice in a week or once in a week, like that. But when it's heavy rain going on in here, sometimes I don't need to water on it because there's no need. Yeah, it's lovely. I love the color. I really love the color. It's gorgeous tree. Look at that, the leaves. Really beautiful. I love it. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Bye for now. Bye. Bye.